What's up guys? So today I'm gonna teach you how to do the back palm, just like this. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it, but this the this like the card manipulation in the Now You See Me Too. When you see Jack Wilder, hide it when he checks him. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So if you want to learn first, easier, you need to learn first how to do the back palm. Okay. So if you want to learn first, learn this. I have a tutorial in my YouTube channel. Check out, find it, and to make a lot of easier on you. So get teach you how to do the kind of manipulation here. So the, the first step is you need to pinch it, place your and corner of the card here in the index and your pinky, and you need to do first cover it, place here in the back, hide it. So when it comes to hide it, you will do like this. So when you hide the card, okay, so when I do this, using my thumb, I push the card here, push it, and my two fingers here, the middle and the ring, will go down and up again, just like that. Oh, again, when it comes here, with thumb, push it, middle finger and ring goes down and up the card. And when you do here, so when it comes to do the hiding, you need to close your hand like this. Okay, so when it comes to hiding, to the like I'm teach you. Okay, okay, so when it comes here, so this the view of the back. Ay, so ang sakit. Again, place your hand here, the back, and when you close it, push the card and here and in the back, so comes in, so the people realize that card is there's no card in your hand, and make appear again. Again, do not do the like this when you closing your hand, and doing this, so do not do that. So when it comes in, when you come to push the card using your thumb, you need to close first your hand, and so if you want to practice it, use your mirror. Okay, so that's it. That's the back palm, like in the Now You See Me Too. And if you want this video, click like, comment comment your on my video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And good luck and goodbye. So goodbye.